to set up our kitchen table over there.
Beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover, agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. A bigger scale, the world inhales as we go.
Hello guys, welcome to our camping area. We already set up our camp. This is our trailer, our kitchen table. Look at this.
Easy we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover, agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover, agents of the other. Beyond gravel,
The sea monkey has my money. What?
Really good.
Hello. We're still at the campground. We're having lunch and we're trying out the inclement weather mode on PeeWee. We'll have it set up like this when the weather's bad, or we'll have our clam shelter set up outside, so we'll have whichever space we want. But this is what it looks like. We've got the mattress is folded up now. I'm sitting in a beanbag chair. There's Liz in her lounge chair. She says it's pretty comfortable. I think I'm going to have to get one of those for the trip we have coming up. This beanbag takes up too much space. It's nice and comfortable, but as you can see, plenty of space to wait out the storm should we come across one. Nice nasi goreng that Liz made for us.
Do you want some?
So we've gotten a few tips that we need some shelving in here and that sort of thing, but other than that, our plan's working out pretty good and we're pretty happy with it. So again, this is the PeeWee in inclement weather mode, or just kicking back and having lunch mode. Shakedown cruise really well, don't you think?
That's really good. I love it. I really enjoy it.
Liz made some really nice meals for us. What did you make?
I make nasi goreng, that is fried rice, that is Indonesian breakfast, and then also at night fried breadfruit.
Yeah, that was really good.
Yeah. Maybe that's the first time you eat that, right?
Yeah. But the layout that we had in mind worked really well, as you saw in the video. The inclement weather mode works well. That's really comfortable. We're also going to have a clam shelter that we'll set up when we're staying more than one night. It'll be a place to get on our upcoming trip. But again, still pulling great. Came up with some things we want to add. A shelf for holding things and a way to better mount the heater. We used an electric heater, and it did well. Kept things toasty, and also the electric blanket. It got, like I said, it got down to 32 last night, so pretty cool, and we stayed comfortable, and we're happy about that. Oh, and real quick, the kitchen, I think SilvanSport's, I think it's called Dinosaur.
Dinosaurs?
Dinosaur, I think is what they call it. But it worked really well. It's the right height when you compare it just with the plain tables. So you'll see a lot of that in Liz's cooking video. But yeah, we definitely, so far, definitely recommend that. It's laid out well, built well, goes up easy. So very happy with that as well. So we're heading home. Going to get unloaded. Got some work to do. And PeeWee and we will see you on the next adventure we take. We don't know exactly where. If you've got any comments on PeeWee or any questions, just leave them below. I'd be glad to answer. See you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.